नमस्कार दोस्तों, 5-7 दिन बाद टॉपिक बनाता हूँ, लेकिन ये कंट्रोवर्सी पे इस तरह का डिस्कशन हुआ नहीं है। आई विल स्पीक लिटिल बिट इंग्लिश और मे बी मोर ऑफ इंग्लिश बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू एड्रेस आर साउथ इंडियन ब्रदरन। उनको बताना चाह रहा हूँ, ये कन्नड़ इशू जो हुआ SBI बैंक मैनेजर बैंगलोर का जो कंट्रोवर्सी है, I am very sure the clarity which I will give to fellow Indians, nobody else has been able to give on entire social media. इसको इनने लैंग्वेज और वो बनाया, एग्जैक्ट रीजंस क्या है मैं बताऊंगा. आई विल बी फोकसिंग ऑन थिंग्स विच हैव नॉट बीन थॉट ऑफ. हायर ऑर्डर वीडियो रहता है, इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट कि इट इज़ नॉट दैट सिंपल. वाई इट इज़ हैपनिंग, वॉट इज़ द रियल रीज़न, what is the real reason? For all of you who do not know the incident, I will just cover it in 2 minutes and then I will discuss. In Bangalore, a video became viral in which a man went and was arguing with the manager, and the manager was also shouting, a female lady manager, and she was saying, I will not speak Kannada, and she said, madam, this is Karnataka, madam, you will have to, and I will not speak. And इस पे बहुत साइड्स बनी. कांग्रेस रूल स्टेट है, कर्नाटक इज ए कांग्रेस रूल स्टेट, बट कांग्रेस पे ठीकरा इतनी जल्दी नहीं फोड़ सकते बिकॉज तेजस्वी सूर्य, उभरता सितारा इन बीजेपी, हैज़ ऑल्सो टेकन दिस स्टैंड कि पीरियड, इफ यू आर हेयर यू स्पीक. मोहनदास पाई, हु इज सपोजिटली इंटेलेक्चुअल, ही ऑल्सो सेज कि 200 वर्ड तो आने ही चाहिए, 200 वर्ड तो होने ही चाहिए, इतना तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है. SBI ने उस एम्प्लॉय को ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया, उस एम्प्लॉय को माफ़ी भी मांगनी पड़ी. So this is the incident for you. Now I want to tell, we communicate, we humans, we communicate with plants, animals, babies, foreigners, people from different languages. Body language 80% communication होती है. एक छोटू बेबी आता है ना, जिन के बच्चे हो गए हैं, उसको तो कुछ समझ आता ही नहीं, और लो बेबी, बट वो बेबी इज़ एबल टू टेल मम्मा दैट उसको क्या चाहिए, एंड मम्मा इज़ ऑल्सो एबल टू टेक आउट एंड नो. तो कम्युनिकेशन कैन हैपन विदाउट इवन नोइंग समथिंग लाइक लैंग्वेज एग्जिस्ट. अगर करना चाहें, जहाँ प्यार है, जहाँ केयर है, वहाँ लैंग्वेज का कोई मसला नहीं है. और दूसरी चीज़, ये बहुत बड़ा ज्ञान, जहाँ नफ़रत है, यहाँ जहाँ कलेश करना है, वहाँ अगेन लैंग्वेज अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज़ नो इशू बिकॉज एज सीन इन दैट क्लिप बोथ ऑफ देम वर क्वाइट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ईच अदर. बिकॉज वो अपनी भाषा में बोल रहा है, वो इंग्लिश में बोल रही है, उसको समझ में आ रही है, और वो भी जिस भावना से जो भी बोल रहा है उसको भी इंटिमिडेट हो रही है. द फोकस विच नो बडी डिड दैट फोकस इस वाले केस में इज वो बैंकिंग सर्विस इशू क्या था जिस पे लड़ाई हुई. नो बडी हैज इवन आस्क्ड. पीपल हैव सेड कि तू कन्नड़ में अरे नहीं बोल रही, बट शी इज ए बैंक मैनेजर. नोबडी आस्क्ड कि कभी भी आप SBI के बैंक मैनेजर के पास ही सीधा चले जाते हैं. यू हैव गॉट क्लर्क्स, लोअर स्टाफ, लोअर एम्प्लॉयज एट जूनियर पोजीशन, वो तो लोकल्स होते एंड वो मध्यस्थता कर सकते थे. बैंकिंग इशू क्या था जिसमें दिस पर्सन वांटेड टू टॉक टू द SBI मैनेजर, ये तो किसी ने बात ही नहीं करी. किसी ने इसको इस तरह नहीं देखा कि एक इंसान हैकल कर रहा है, बुली कर रहा है एक महिला को, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इजी ना, अंडर द गार्ब ऑफ समथिंग. I am not talking of this case, but is it possible that pan India there are a lot of organizations in which the bosses and senior position people are outsiders of that state, and the lower staff, I am again repeating with disclaimer, I am not saying it is in this case, but is it possible that there are people who come from different parts of the country in a particular state, in a particular organization, in a senior position, and they rub people below them the wrong way in terms of some disciplinary action or something, and the lower staff then gets in cahoots with such person who can come and say language bol and create a controversy, and the boss is posted out. कितना अच्छा बताया ना higher order thinking. Is it possible that they actually gang up? Because the way that person was speaking with the SBI manager, the SBI manager is in a senior position and she must be having minimum 8-10 लोगों का staff, 8 to 10 people working under her. Minimum it will be maybe 15 people. If a security guard is there, a lot of people are there. See the allegiance. Now that person is making, maybe that SBI bank manager may not be a very good boss. I'm not talking in this case, but it can be possible anywhere. People maybe don't like and something is happening. But then the way it is shown as a language issue, it's not a language issue. That is what I want to say. I will tell you another big thing. Why these issues happen in sarkari institutions, why not in private? Because there is a feeling that this sarkari jobs or PSU jobs should be there for the locals. Because another thing, great thing is the posting wala thing also. Because if this is happened in Bangalore, urban proper Bangalore, if Shimoga mein she was posted or some choti jagah somebody is posted, there these issues will not happen. The same thing we have seen in Maharashtra. Maharashtra mein the same thing we are seeing about Marathi, but it happens in proper places. Nobody is fighting with outsiders in Latur or Akola or Sambhajinagar, because they are not sexy places na to be there. You will see it in happening in good khushi places where there is some happiness, because there is somebody who wants to come in that post. I really want to know if she has gone, who has come in her post. Because इसको what is happening in India, सब लोग अपना उल्लू सीधा कर रहे हैं. They want to get something out of a situation. But पूछ किसकी पकड़ेंगे? अब now South Indians will say, oh please translate in English, and now I will say whose tail will you catch? And now nobody will still understand this. This is the problem of language. You just can't even translate it. जो भाषा और भावनाएं होती हैं वो कभी निकल नहीं पाती भाइयों बहनों. कर्नाटक में कन्नड़ इज स्पोकन ओनली बाय 66% पीपल, 34% पीपल डोंट स्पीक कन्नड़. वेयर विल दे स्टे? आई वांट टू आस्क कन्नडिगास, because you made it a great pride about Karnataka. I want to ask, there was a movie by the name of Kantara by Rishabh Shetty, made on a shoestring budget of 10 to 12 crores and earned 400 crores. Could it earn that money if it was only made in Kannada and it was not dubbed in other languages, was not dubbed in Hindi? South Indian movies are of late doing very well, but are they doing only well because they are in their own language, or Hindi audiences are lapping up these movies in Hindi? Will they listen to the movie in Telugu, Kannada or Tamil? This is something we need to know. And there is certain other things somebody need to call out without making it, because a Guruji like me can only have this moral courage sometimes to come and call it out like this, ki there is a divide and it has been there for a long time. There has always been that South Indians considered North Indians uncouth, uncultured, loud, show-offs, ready to fight, not sabhe or great. Maybe it is true, but North Indians wear their heart up their sleeves. Whatever they are, they don't even pretend. But there is a seemingly great evidence now coming out that the South Indians who are, I agree with this journal theory, South Indians ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे हैं, ज़्यादा wise हैं. But what about patience? What about understanding? If South Indians are supposedly more intellectual, more wise, then that should show in the behavior also, no? Because North Indians may have 1 crore faults with them. Hindi speaking, Delhi, Haryanvi people, North Indians, ready to fight, road rage, gali galauch. Okay? But they still do not tell any South Indian who comes to this area, Delhi, NCR, Gurgaon, Noida, ki Hindi bol, Haryanvi bol. They don't do. They will understand whatever little bit English they understand. The other person is speaking in English or Hindi, whatever he is able to speak or not able to speak. Nobody, have you heard such a case ever in North India where a South Indian was harassed or bullied? Matlab, imagine a South Indian, Karnataka ka doctor is there and I am the patient from Haryana and said, Doctor Sahab, mera dhumma utha hai. Dhumma utha hai? What is it? What is the symptom? You are supposed to understand, you are a doctor. Don't you understand my culture? When I say dhumma sa utha hai, and then I do this also by action. Dhumma sa utha hai, mere kukkal utha hai, mere marode lag rahe hain. Now the other person doesn't understand. Now will I create a ruckus? You are this. Because what happens is SBI making it mandatory for people to learn that local language ka even 200 words before posting them there. Make it mandatory, give a test. If that, because SBI ने तो बहुत जल्दी पोस्ट कर दिया ना अपना एम्प्लॉय, sorry, it's not good. Why don't you make mandatory? When you have to apply in state civil services, the language becomes an thing. Like you go to IS or something, you have to give a essay in English or proficiency test or Hindi. Even in Haryana civil services, which is a Hindi speaking, there is a test for Hindi ki aati hai Hindi. There was a time in Haryana many years back, the state government patwaris and tehsildars and all were made to learn Urdu because revenue records were in Urdu. And if you are employed on duty, you are supposed to know Urdu. Otherwise, normally people say Urdu kyun seekhun bhai main. See, if there is a functionality, it is there. But respecting a language and culture ka meaning is that the organization will not impose you to speak a particular language. That is respecting culture. I will again explain. If in SBI Karnataka, in Bangalore or somewhere, a person comes and the SBI manager says, you speak in English or Hindi, you will not be served. You have to do, then it is like not respecting. But if the person coming there does ulta, no, you will have to speak, then it is not correct. Then you can't say, see, I can't say to a fellow South Indian brother or Kannadiga person that you come, you are in Haryana, please drink this murra bhais ka doodh, 1 glass. No, language is not an issue. You keep saying anything. Please respect my culture. Drink this 1 glass of milk full. मुर्रा भैंस का एकदम वो गर्म हुआ और ये गूंद का एक लड्डू खाएंगे आप. इफ यू डोंट ईट देन यू आर नॉट रिस्पेक्टिंग अस. अरे द पर्सन मे नॉट बी एबल टू ईट. Yes, I am very fond of South Indian food. I like idli, I like sambar, but then I like it. Nobody can say ki you will have to eat it. Nobody can force anything ki no, you have to eat. If you don't eat, then you don't respect us. If I am telling you, no, you can't eat it or you should not eat it or something, then it is a different thing. But in India, I want to ask आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी जो ऐसे निकालते रहते हैं ना जेब से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, कांग्रेसियों तुम्हारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कर्नाटक में काम नहीं कर रहा क्या अब है? Why can't you come and say why Siddharamaiah, who's a CM, is saying no, this is very bad, and Tejasvi Surya jumps at it, and then Mohandas Pai, and किसी की जबान नहीं है दिमाग लगाने की बताने की. When Rashmika Madana, who comes from Karnataka, has a very heavy accent, is accepted in Hindi film industry, movies are hit, whether it is Animal or Chhawa, or she is accepted in the Telugu film industry, then doesn't she have a great accent? But it's okay. कितनी हिंदी बोली जाती, कितने डायलॉग बोले जाएंगे, उसकी बाल की खाल निकालने. Is Deepika Padukone no from that place? Is the Shetty director, that Rohit Shetty or Sunil Shetty, aren't they from there? They are also doing well. Everybody is accepting them. Nobody tells people कि to have something कि नहीं पूरा ही होना चाहिए. India is one country. Why are people wanting कि ये this is, see, Hindi, there is no national language. A lot of people will now say Hindi is national language. No, Hindi is not national language. There is no Rashtra Bhasha in India. People should know this. अभी लोगों को शॉकर लगेगा. Hindi is not राष्ट्र भाषा. India में there are 2 official languages, English and Hindi. They are official languages adopted by the government. We have got 22 scheduled languages also. ठीक है, उसमें से ये सब लैंग्वेज आती हैं. पर भाई साहब 780 लैंग्वेज और हैं. कहाँ SBI वाला क्या क्या सीखेगा? If somebody gets allotted Keral cadre, a person from Haryana, there was a topper, second girl, Annu or something, she got Keral cadre. Now if she is going to spend 30 years of her life or 35 years of her life in Kerala, it makes sense for her to start learning Malayalam, okay? Because you have to survive there. But if every 1-2 years you will be moved across states, how many languages will you learn? It is a known fact that Dravidian languages, South Indian languages are little bit difficult. Or you can say quite difficult, okay? And it is also a fact that a Tamilian doesn't know Malayalam, a Malayali doesn't know Kannada that much. and there is a difference between in their languages also. It's quite very different how things are written, how things are pronounced. Even these four states may not talk too much to each other in terms of this. तो ये इतना issue इसलिए आ रहा है because why can't people tell the truth? The truth is our South Indian brothers are feeling left behind politically, becoming irrelevant in the politics. That's the this thing. So it is going to, they are excising these rights. And I can feel it, and I can tell you the examples. In Haryana, a dominant community is there. I belong to that community also. वहाँ भी कुछ कुछ ऐसे होता है, पावर से कई साल रहे बाहर, तो फिर चलो भाई रिजर्वेशन कुछ तो अपनी, and then suddenly something happen and people say what is this nonsense, and something happens and then अब सब शांत हो गए. This thing will start with Patel community somewhere. Sometimes Maratha pride will start. This is something which is in our this thing. We have to excise and we have to पकड़ो the tail और पूछ. अब you say what English हिंदी तू कर रहा है, भावना पे जाओ ना. Everybody will understand. यही बता रहा हूँ. I am a very very pro national integration वाला patriotic person. I don't want, see divides are all there. The gender पे भी कितने divide है, धर्म का तो divide चल ही रहा है, लैंग्वेज का चल रहा है, कास्ट का चल रहा है, एंड दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. दैट्स वाई से कांग्रेस इज नो लेस. वन इज द रिलीजन वाला 80-20, वो 80-20 तो चल रहा है. अब वो 80 वाले केक को भी छोटा छोटा काट दो, छोटा छोटा कास्ट पे काटो, साउथ इंडिया नॉर्थ इंडिया पे काटो, टुकड़े टुकड़े टुकड़े, वो प्याज को जैसे काटना होता है ना कि ये ले अब कर ले इसका. दिस इज बैड फॉर द कंट्री. ये एक चिंगारी है, ये एक सेपरेटिस्ट वाली भावना है. इट हैज टू बी कॉल्ड आउट. It cannot be नहीं because tomorrow everybody will do. Then people will say कि ये पंजाब में कहेंगे पंजाबी बोल, नहीं ये गुरमुखी बोल, ऐसे इसमें ये स्क्रिप्ट लिख, ऐसे लिख, वैसे लिख. It will never end. गुजरात में ऐसे बोल. This is all about money and resources. Everywhere all the fights and issues which are happening, वो पूछ पकड़ लेंगे धर्म की, कास्ट की, जेंडर की, रिलीजन की, रीजन की, लैंग्वेज की. बट द अंडरलाइंग थिंग इज कि हमें सुना जाए, ये रिसोर्सेज हमें मिलें. लॉट ऑफ पीपल कैन नॉट डाइजेस्ट बिकॉज दिस हैपन्स इन बैंगलोर. व्हाई इट इज नॉट हैपनिंग इन रूरल कर्नाटका? कर्नाटका इज अ वेरी बिग स्टेट. Maharashtra is a big state. Wherever that Malay is there, issues are there. I am into real estate also, and I keep telling my fellow Haryanvis in Haryana, please come to Gurgaon, buy property here. Gurgaon is a great growth story. After 10 years, you will have these issues which Marathi Manush had in Mumbai's Tarakki and Bangaloreans are having. Because see, वो जो शहर है, Mumbai is very clear-cut case. And Bangalore is also a case when outsiders come and work hard and make that city something. Now, when that city becomes something, then you say you people get lost. You know, saying that IT is just a South Indian story, Infosys and Narayan Murthy is not correct thing. Yes, they did the startup, but then Bangalore is the startup capital of India. All these unicorns which are happening, so many are originating from Bangalore with the surnames Mittals and Guptas. They are the Baniyas of North India who are doing very well there. They are welcome. When there was a time then Bangalore was also putting red carpet in 90s. Come, IT, startup, 2000s and all. Now you reached a place, now you say that rickshaw पे लिखा था. वो भी वायरल हुआ है कि you North Indians, you come and beg here. Which North Indian is coming and begging there? If North Indians were coming and begging there, so there won't have been any problem if they were actual beggars. The North Indians are coming there and occupying good posts. They are investing there. They are occupying real space, and that is the problem, that intolerance is on the rise. And you just cannot tell this truth sometimes because that is a jealousy. So now you will speak in Kannada. I am saying the day every North Indian decides, whoever stays there, ki okay, I'll learn Kannada and I will speak. Now you think the problem will get solved? Because the jealousy will still remain. I want to ask, the Bangalore maids belong to which community, which language, and when they work in the houses of non-speaking Kannada language, do they work? Or they say, oh, the mem saab, the madam, the boss, the whatever is not able to speak our language, we will not work. So where money is convenient, then you can say. But when you have, it becomes ulta. Then you call out. See, I am not trying to put anybody down here. I am saying there are real issues. South India is getting ignored. North India is becoming more political relevant than it should. And that is a pain point. Let's talk of the real thing. Why South Indian brethren are not speaking like that? I like Stalin. I like certain politicians of South India who are actually talking of the problem. This delimitation will come and these people will, have not controlled the population. We pay more GST and we don't get that much in return. Bihar gets more, and all the bridges are broken there, and there's no accountability of money. Understood. Those are real issues. Let's talk of them now. But these are the ye wale pe why maximum people talk on this is because it's the easy thing na. Talking that though will become, because how will Chandrababu Naidu talk now? Because BJP he is supporting, and then he is supporting BJP, this will not happen. So does it become a Congress thing? Because Karnataka is one of the very few states where Congress is in power. Now Congress was trying to do this. वो तेजस्वी सूर्य ने कूदी मार दी कि हम बीजेपी वाले ऐसा नहीं है, ये पोलराइज वाले करने में तो हम टॉपर स्टूडेंट है, तुम कैसे कर लोगे? ये पीरियड, इफ यू आर इन बैंगलोर यू विल स्पीक. So if you are in Mumbai, you should speak Marathi. So if Rashmika Madana is staying in Mumbai and working in Hindi movie industry, why should she not speak that language very proficiently? I want to ask very humbly to all the brothers in Karnataka, if there is a truck driver from Karnataka, and he is all India permit, and he is going from Bangalore to Jammu and Kashmir. Now he will cross 12 states going up. Okay? Will he know all the languages? काम चला लेगा, what will happen? Police will stop, something will happen, he has to eat food. Will he get idli everywhere? Will he get sambar everywhere? You know, when you go on North Indian dhabas, like you go in apna Haryana, Gurgaon mein, to you will get all South Indian good restaurants and all. But once you are on that national highway and there are dhabas on the left, right, Vaishnav dhaba, this dhaba, uska dhaba, Murthal mein that dhabas and all, you will get parathas, you will get desi ghee, you will get lassi. But now you will have to take it. Now the same thing is true for a North Indian अपने सरदारजी driver or a हरियाणा का driver who is going to now deliver goods to South India. Maybe they'll figure out some restaurants over a period of time जहाँ उनके taste buds के हिसाब से शायद कुछ बन जाए. But in Kerala, if you get a paratha, it will be Malabar paratha. It will not still be that aloo, pyaj and mirchi ka paratha which you get in North India. So this has to be accepted by people. What is so wrong in it? ये इतना कि मैं यहीं रहूंगा, because if some people start picking up, because that is the unfortunate thing happens. Something happens in Kashmir. Kashmir is wherever they are studying and all, उन पे हीरो बनने लग जाते हैं. अरे तुम्हारे इतना ही दम है तो वहां जाओ ना, ढूंढो वो 4 पहलगांव वाले किधर जा रहे हैं. Everybody should go. 1 crore Indians should just enter those jungles, because India में you can travel anywhere. Kashmir is our state. Just go in jungle. 1 crore people will search 4 people, तो will find somewhere sitting ना, छुपन छुपाई है, या यहीं से ढूंढ लो, सेना ढूंढेगी, वो ढूंढेगी, तुम चले जाओ ना. जाया जाता नहीं है, लेकिन वो कश्मीर का बच्चा जो आके पढ़ रहा है यहाँ पे, why I am using such, that's why I am using this analogy of Kashmir. It's not easy. Everybody has to realize people with transferable pan India jobs can just not keep learning languages. नहीं मन करता language करने का. I will tell you the truth. Another truth bomb. In upper middle class families in India, North India, style जो हो रहा है, and I interact with a lot of them in Gurgaon, children are not learning Hindi. हिंदी की लैंग्वेज में जान निकल रही है उनकी. बच्चों को ऐसा लग रहा है क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, हिंदी नहीं पढ़ी जा रही. Hindi speaking North Indian children in a particular social strata are not wanting to learn Hindi. नहीं मजा आ रहा लैंग्वेज का. See, language is a bridging mechanism, not barrier creating thing. एंड समटाइम्स लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स ना से कि अरे यार इसको अलंकार नहीं आते, ये तो हिंदी में नंबर कम ला रहे हैं. व्हेन आई इंटरेक्ट विद द चाइल्ड एंड द चाइल्ड इज एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी और वो बोल भी रही है, बोल भी रहा है, एंड आई से इट्स ओके यार. कोई लैंग्वेज अगर इतनी ग्रेट होगी, इजी होगी, मज़ेदार होगी, तो सीख लेगा कोई यार. ये लैंग्वेज इंसान के लिए बनी है, यूज़ के लिए. लैंग्वेज से इंसान नहीं बनाने उल्टा. वी डोंट हैव टू डू इट. अब जेनजी है, जेनजी और जो यंगस्टर्स हैं वो लॉल दिस, सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस, वो करते हैं बात यार. अब वो उनकी लैंग्वेज है. That is neither English, neither Hindi, neither Kannada, neither other language, but they interact, and people like me, the Vidwans like me, will sit with them, and then four of them are talking, and I'm like, oh, I'll learn it. अगर मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही है तो, if I have to communicate with them, मन कर रहा है तो, anything which is advantageous to you, people will do it. Now you just can't say कि no, I will make it काम का. तो SBI can say that कि if you learn this language of the local dialect or something, you will get promoted, your appraisal reports will be better. Okay, it is. If RBI guidelines ने बोला है कि the person will be served in the local language, doesn't mean that everybody will speak. As long as that person, why that person wants to be served by the SBI का manager? There are sometimes people have to call out. I see females को बुली करना टू ए एक्सटेंट ऑफ सेक्शुअल हैरेसमेंट वाली चीज़ में, पीपल टेक द गार्ब ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. मज़ा आता है. कई बार मैं तो बोलना चाहूँगा, अगेन दिस केस का डिटेल्स आर नॉट नोन, बट ये कुछ किंक है लोगों में कि कहीं को देखेंगे चल इसके वो कर ले. मैंने हर बार नहीं देखा ऐसा. यहीं आई रियली वंडर इफ देर वॉज सम मोटू मैनेजर विद नो हेयर ऑन हेड एंड सम पान खाने वाला ऐसा वाला, तो विल दिस पर्सन वुड हैव वांटेड टू इंटरेक्ट टू मच विद दैट पर्सन एंड सेड, मतलब आई एम जस्ट वंडरिंग. वो बाकी स्टाफ से काम निकाल लेता. बैंक में ऐसा कौन सी ग्रेट सर्विसेज हो रही हैं आज के दिन. एवरीथिंग इज ऑन दिस थिंग, मोबाइल, एवरीथिंग इज पेटीएम, यूपीआई, ऑल दिस, फोन पे, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. कुछ है तो यू आस्क समबडी. एंड SBI के तो हमें वैसे ही चर्चे सुने हुए हैं, जब भी जाओ तो लंच ब्रेक ही होता है उनका. ठीक है, तो आई एम नॉट यहाँ गिविंग दिस थिंग कि वो देयर वुंट हैव बीन ए इशू विच SBI मैनेजर तक नहीं जाना चाहिए था, बट आई एम सेइंग व्हाई आर वी नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ द इशू. It is possible that SBI manager was found wanting in the services and the knowledge of banking, and they were not giving good service. It is possible, but that thing should come out. Na incompetence of the service should come out, rather than it becoming a, matlab, will a normal Kannada speaking person be satisfied if a incompetent Kannada speaking person is sitting giving no service but speaking the language? Now what will you talk? Now he knows the language. So if North Indians start speaking, I want to ask Mohandas Pai ji, all North Indians in Bangalore, if they learn 200 words, let's say in 5-10 days it will take. Now are you satisfied? Now are you satisfied? Why does the auto rickshaw driver who has to take people from one place to another and charge money and make his living has to write such things on the back of his auto rickshaw? What happens if all North Indians people, see, South Indian states will have to realize one thing. The fertility rate is going down. It is down to 1.5, 1.6, down below the replacement rate. Okay, understand this. In next 10 to 15 years, you will find North Indians coming and not speaking your language. It is possible. And you will still want to get them, because so many services you will not want to do yourself. The same thing is happening with Indians when they go out. You think a Philippines maid working for a American couple or some other couple, let's say Spanish couple, ठीक है, in UAE, उसको बहुत फराटेदार आती है इंग्लिश. They are staying in a Islamic country with some other Arabic language. One person speaking coming from Philippines, the other person is from उनका काम चल रहा है यार, बिकॉज उनको पता है कि मुझे इससे क्या चाहिए और उसको पता है मुझे इससे क्या चाहिए, क्योंकि वहां पर देर इज नो जेलेसी फैक्टर कि हु इज डूइंग वेल. यू आर इन अ फॉरेन लैंड, सम अदर फॉरेनर विद यू, एंड सब चल रहा है काम. So many South Indians We know Malayalis for sure are settled permanently, and they've gone so many years back, 30 years back, 40 years back, in Middle Eastern countries. You go to Qatar, you go to UAE, you go to all these Middle Eastern countries. There is a sizable population of South Indians. How do they survive there? Have they learned Arabic? Or they speak English? अरे जब काम की बात होती है तो काम चल जाता है. प्रॉब्लम है जब चौधराहट चाहिए. चौधराहट is a Haryanvi word in which it is like you should have a nuisance of yours, or you want power, you want control. And when that comes, then only these things comes, and these things should be condemned. This behavior has to be condemned. You cannot bully. उसके भी आए थे ये महाराष्ट्र निर्माण सेवा कौन से MNS करके, मराठी बोल. फिर वो टकरा गया किसी के एक वीडियो, वो कहते हैं आज तेरे को बताता हूँ मराठी बोल. ये पहलगाम अटैक से पहले बहुत चल रहा था. फिर ये पहलगाम अटैक हो गया, फिर सब चुप हो गए इंडियंस. फिर हम एक हो गए हैं, वी आर इंडिया अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान, वन कंट्री, एक में. अब फिर शुरू होगी कहानी. जैसे ही वहाँ ठंडा हुआ है ये शुरू होगी. वी शुड नो. हम लोगों को ऐसा लगता है. आई रियली वॉन्ट टू टेल, जो पीपल ये हिंदू मुस्लिम भी करते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, और धर्म खतरे में एंड ऑल दैट, कि ये अगर चले जाते तो अच्छा. अरे चले जाते तो 1.5 करोड़ रीजन्स और हैं लड़ने के. ऐसा नहीं है कि स्वर्ग में हो जाते. तो मत बोलो ऐसे कि ये चले जाते, ऐसे हो जाते, ये क्यों रहा है. जिसने जूत बजाने हैं, अब जूत बजाना क्या होता है? जूत में मीन्स जूता. वन हु वांट्स टू डू शूज है. व्हाट इज दिस इंग्लिश? दिस इज हाउ गूगल विल ट्रांसलेट. ठीक है. सो दैट्स व्हाई गूगल फेल्स यार. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड एनीबडी हु वांट्स टू फाइट एंड वांट्स टू डू कलेश. व्हाट इज कलेश की इंग्लिश? टाइप. ठीक है. एनीबडी हु वांट्स टू डू दिस थिंग्स, उसको किसी ना किसी चीज़ का बहाना लेना है, एंड लैंग्वेज इज आउट ऑफ दैट. अदरवाइज देर इज नथिंग ग्रेट. योर लैंग्वेज इज ग्रेट. वॉट इज हैपनिंग टू संस्कृत? वाई पीपल आर नॉट स्पीकिंग संस्कृत? संस्कृत नीड्स टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड. बट languages which people will find difficult or not practical or not usable, those languages will go. You want to save the culture, you love your culture, everything, everybody should love, and we also respect all cultures. But my not eating idli should not trouble you, like you not eating my gund ka laddu, which has 400 calories or 500 calories, one laddu, 1/4 of the dietary needs of the day, ठीक है, met by one laddu. तो I should not have an issue. अभी नेक्स्ट थिंग विल सी खाना. वो वेज नॉन वेज का भी चला था बहुत ज़्यादा इंडिया में. वेयर इज मेजॉरिटी आर नॉन वेजिटेरियंस इन इंडिया, बट द नैरेटिव इज स्टिल एज इफ वी आर वेजिटेरियन कंट्री. The problem is we will keep fighting on this. See, whoever wants to speak whatever language should be allowed to speak. Whoever wants to eat whatever should allowed be to eat. Because when Rahul Gandhi जी shows that constitution ऐसे निकाल के, तो भाई उसमें लिखा है ना यार, देश आज़ाद है. आज़ाद देश में ये क्या सेपरेटिस्ट टाइप का काम करना कि हमारा ये ही है, कोई नहीं आएगा बाहर से. This should not be there, because lot of Kannada people have gone everywhere. They are doing very nice. Everything is good. So who has stopped anybody from coming to Delhi? Please come. We Delhi, Gurgaon, Haryana, we don't create prejudice about languages. You speak any language. Here people are willing to talk in any language. Nobody will force you to speak in Haryanvi or eat a laddu or behave like this. No, nobody will do. No politician will also support this. Yes, we people here fight over other things, but this is not one of the things we will fight. And इस तरह तो कोई नीचे साउथ से आए वाले से तो वैसे भी नहीं लड़ेंगे, या आपस में लड़ लेते हैं यहाँ पे, बाकी चीज़ों पे नहीं लड़ेंगे. This impression of North India being little bit intolerant and very rage loving people and all is also needs to be corrected. And this another facade, I will say, South is great and this is that, and they don't know. We are seeing this incident, Baba. Why should we now tell this? ISRO is South, DRDO is South, everything which required brains is South. So North Indians never cried, why did you take everything South? Why didn't you open such institutions in North? because ultimately all these institutions became heavy with the local people only na, who will travel from Delhi to DRDO and all those labs which are there. Now the labs have opened all over the country, तो थोड़ा balance हो रहा है, but then people will get a DRDO official who works in Bangalore, should also know Kannadiga, now he'll get posted to some other state. How many languages he'll learn? So many people are there who are in the central government, in a scientist community, in PSUs and all. They can't keep learning all languages. When everybody who goes to America and then they have to do coding, I want to ask, the Bangalore city is the story, is the IT story. Now, do you do coding in Kannada? You cater for Americans. In this country, the Rona is that English is more acceptable than Hindi. Hey, Hindi is still a native language, na? It is an Indian language. People are willing to speak in English. I had to make this video in English. ठीक है, not that it's a great difficulty in English, but मेरे को emotions नहीं निकल रहे जो मैं निकालना चाह रहा था. आप समझ रहे हैं? Emotions तो अपनी वाली में निकलते हैं, आरआरबी में असली निकलते हैं, बट ब्लैंड वीडियो हो जाता है बिकॉज इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो. इट्स नॉट दैट आई कैन मेक वीडियोज इन इंग्लिश. आई वॉन्टेड टू मेक दिस वीडियो इन इंग्लिश सो दैट इट रीचेज आउट टू मोर ऑडियंस वेयर आई वॉन्टेड टू रीच. I want all the people, all the subscribers who are this, please spread this video. Say, have I talked sense? Have I talked sense in it? Why can't, see, saying one India, one country, one tax, one language, one. Sometimes let's learn to live in diversity, na? Because हर चीज़ को ये वन करके भी ये जो किया है ना, people feel threatened. Yeah, how can we have one? नहीं काम चलता. वो हैव वन खाना ओनली एंड रोज दलिया और रोज खिचड़ी और रोज राइस सांभर. कैन यू हैव? कैन ए साउथ इंडियन हैव राइस सांभर एवरी डे? कैन ए नॉर्थ इंडियन हैव दलिया खिचड़ी एवरी डे? वी कांट हैव. देयर सो मच ऑफ वेराइटी इन लाइफ इज जॉय. हर चीज में वन 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 ये करके भी ये किसने करा आपको पता है? बिकॉज दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम विच इज हैपेंड. कलेश के रीजंस ढूंढते रहो, नाउ लोगों का ध्यान भटकाते रहो. एसबीआई की बैंकिंग सर्विस पे क्वेश्चन नहीं आया पूरे कलेश में, विच आई फील द क्वेश्चन शुड बी ऑन एसबीआई बैंकिंग सर्विस, बिकॉज अ कस्टमर केम एंड ही वॉज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द सर्विस. दैट्स वाई ही वॉन्टेड टू escalate it to the senior manager. Now it became about language only. Why are we not talking of real issues? How is this video? कैसा लगा बताना. Please spread it. It is high time India needs to talk on real issues. Energy levels are high. Country is young. पर ये सारा energy should not be taken out on such things. And all those who are belonging to Karnataka or are South Indians, I really want you to judge me for whatever content I have created through this video. Did I talk sense? Or I am a person who's trying to divide, or I am trying to put sense in some way. That our focus should be, South India has many reasons and many topics to raise for their benefit. One is political relevance. I really want the next Prime Minister of India should be from South India. It's a high time. Last time was PV Narasimha Rao ji, because Deve Gowda ji was there only for less than 11 months. ठीक है, तो real this thing and what a fine Prime Minister was PV Narasimha Rao. All this story of liberalization and all, yes, Manmohan ji gets credited, but it was the brainchild of Shri PV Narasimha Rao ji, who doesn't get his due in Congress because of the Gandhi family politics, which you know. And why will BJP, give credit to PV Narasimha Rao, though they have tried to give, and the whole Narasimha Rao's GK next generation is BJP. In fact, I was doing one interesting research. Other than the Gandhi family, all the prime ministers of Congress party, their families are in BJP. मतलब correct me, मतलब a few names I'll say. One is this नरसिम्हा राव जी का मैंने बताया, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी का आप लोग चेक करना, ये I.K. गुजराल जी का आप चेक करना, चंद्रशेखर जी का भी आप चेक करना. आई मे बी रॉन्ग इन वन और टू, बट ऑल ऑफ यू कैन चेक. इट्स सच ए इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग विच आई एम टेलिंग. कांग्रेस के या जो दूसरे पार्टी के भी बने थे, किसी भी पार्टी के बने थे, बीजेपी के तो मोदी जी हैं और अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, और तो कोई नहीं बना। बाकी सारे अब बीजेपी को ही सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। जो जैसे चौधरी चरण सिंह प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने थे, तो उनके भी अजीत सिंह इज नो मोर, पर उनके बच्चे एंड ऑल दे आर सपोर्टिंग बीजेपी। तो देर इज नो बडी विद दिस थिंग, दैट इज ऑल्सो एन इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग, ठीक है। तो प्लीज स्प्रेड दिस वीडियो। देश में एकता होनी चाहिए, खुशहाली होनी चाहिए, ये सिर्फ बोलने से नहीं होता है। जब धर्म, जब असली जो एक धर्म है सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया का, वो ये है कि कहीं भी कुछ इस तरह की बात हो तो आकर सेंस बोलना और शांति डालना कि प्लीज डोंट रेज इश्यूज। आई नो यू नीड टू बी हर्ड, I know Kannadigas need to be heard. I know Tamilians need to be heard. I know the GST they are contributing is much more than what the share which they are getting. And there are other issues. The fertility rate is going down. And they have been more disciplined. Literacy rates are higher in South India. They have been the good student, the good child of Mother India. I can say that. I can say in a good child in the sense, more disciplined child. ठीक है? But those issues can always be discussed, but getting in this is then that aura, there's a aura which South Indians carry, and I am saying that is a good aura. Let's not spoil it. That aura is of a reasonable person, पढ़ा लिखा person, little bit मतलब intellectual person. That is a, and वो हमारे over a period of time जो इतने साउथ इंडिया से निकले हैं वो लोग जिनने इतना अच्छा किया है, whether they have been scientists, presidents, APJ कलाम जी अपने, ठीक है, everybody, मतलब everybody has contributed to that image, and that image is there. And it needs to be cherished and respected. But why this alternate thing is starting? Why this aura has to be break? I want to tell all my South Indian brethren that North India took a big brunt over last 800 years. Nobody in North India said, please go to South India, clean passage. People died here. That's why South India temples were protected. It is what is the oldest temple in Delhi, not even 200 years old. You think Delhi people were not worshipping or were not following their religion? Tell me how many old temples are in Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, or this side of country? There is nothing. Because people struggled, people put resistance, they died doing it. You had the geographical advantage. Cherish that. We are also proud that there was something that far and it got protected. It is वो बोलना हमारा आर्मीज था, बहुत ग्रेट था, ये था, we also struggled. Yes, Tipu Sultan was a tyrant and all those issues happened, but they were very local. And they were only for a period of 10, 20, 30 years. Which couldn't destroy the whole setup. But North India, from Jammu, Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, UP, you name the place. Nothing, no temple was saved. Nothing was. अभी ये बन रहा है अयोध्या टूट के, and you know the history. So North Indians have suffered a lot. Please don't think they didn't have the time. Because I belong to the mitti of Haryana, which is mitti of our desh. But this mitti, the more focus was on survival. There was no culture to protect. It was agriculture produced, and it was like let's survive, because anything could happen, and we didn't leave. We didn't run away. We didn't go somewhere else. So otherwise, full passage would have been clear. People would have been sitting in Thanjavur. The Thanjavur temple, which is such a great temple, 1000 saal purana temple, is there because there were lot many people resisting. The enemy, the Akrantas, they ran out of, josh, energy, power or whatever, they were bled, and they were like कि बहुत हो गया कलेश, चल लूट लाट के. And यहाँ पे this North India kept producing something which was worth looting. Otherwise, there nothing happened. The Chola Empire was great. Yes, it didn't get that much recognition in history. It should get. Everything was great. But there were a lot of great things happening here also. So, let's say and it is not that North Indians were sacrificing for South Indians. I am not even saying that. There was no choice. If you are in Haryana and Panipat, the battle is taking place, what choice does a Haryanvi have? You think when Panipat mein battle will happen, so other people will keep sleeping? Abhi we had a skirmish with Pakistan. What happened to people in Poonch, Rajouri, and or borderline areas? We know what happened, na? So just visualize if wars were happening and what was happening to the people who were staying here. We have to understand all these things, na? And if you were very far away, so you were those things were not happening. So now you had the luxury to preserve the language, think about language. We didn't have anything. There's nothing. There is in Haryana we have agriculture in name of culture, but we are still okay. ठीक है, इतना ही आता है, इतना ही है, चल यार चलते. So learn from other things also. Don't be so touchy. Just because somebody is not speaking your language doesn't want to speak your language is not somebody whom you should dislike or create a ruckus about. It's okay. Somebody not speaking your language is very, very okay. Go to find middle ground. Find middle ground. Or if it is a Sarkari Sanstha and you feel it is so this thing, then tell the government. If Tejasvi Surya, who is a BJP MP, is jumping so much on this issue, he should tell Adarnya Modi ji, to tell Nirmala Sitharaman ji, who is the finance minister, to tell RBI and other this thing, ki guidelines mandatory, the manager should know the 285 words in the local language and she or he will be put to test, and if she or he doesn't pass in the 285 knowledge test, with spellings and pronunciation, then she or he will not be posted there. Lot of North Indians will feel very happy. मेरे को तो आती नहीं language, why should I go and serve in South India? Why should? Because if you are a SBI person belonging to Haryana, you will be very happy serving in Karnal branch or Rohtak branch or Gurgaon branch. Why do you want to go to a small town in Karnataka or Maharashtra or somewhere? एक तो वहाँ जाओ, वहाँ वैसे कलेश. Who? So this has to be understood. And another pattern you will see, good खुशी postings वाली जगह and Sarkari. These two are common things which will keep playing out. You will see this pattern. You will never see these fights happening in a very small place. Small place, everybody यार यहाँ है ही क्या लड़ने के लिए, क्या तो तू resources ले रहा है, क्या मैं तेरी पोस्ट हड़पूंगी, सब आराम से जी रहे हैं. बड़े शहरों में बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. So we need to call out these things. I hope this video made lot of sense to a lot of people. I'll request you to subscribe to the channel. More the subscribers, good content will keep flowing. Motivation is there. Everybody needs views. Everybody needs subscribers. If you have liked the content, my request is please like the video and subscribe the channel. Share it on your groups and please write in the comment section whatever you feel about whatever I said. Thank you very much.